Here we have a question based on the circles. You would have heard of the proverb, well begun is half done. Remember that when it comes to geometry, a figure well labeled is half of your work done. So let us first read the question and see what we have to find out. What is the information given? A chord RS is parallel to PQ. That means from here onwards you have to look out for alternate interior angles, corresponding angles. Just watch out for them. What is the other information given? PR and PQ are the tangents from the same external point P to the same circle, which means what? The tangents from the same external point are equal in length. That means if you consider the triangle RPQ, what you have is two equal sides, which means the angles opposite to equal sides will again be equal. Now, as those two angles are equal in measure, I will take both of them to be x. And now the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It is given that angle P is 30 degrees. Substitute the values and what do you get? You get x is 75 degrees. That means both of these angles is 75 degrees. And you remember what I told you? Watch out for alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, any such scenario. What do you have here? Here you have alternate interior angles, these two. So if this is 75, this angle here is also 75. Now do you understand where we are going with this? What we have to find out is this angle here, this small angle SQR. And how are we going to find out? We know this one, angle R. Now all we have to do is find angle S, add them, subtract from 180 degrees. That's all. Now there are many ways to find the value of angle S, but let us stay faithful to the syllabus. Consider the quadrilateral ORPQ. A quadrilateral, which means you have four angles, all of them added should give you 360 degrees. What all values do you know? Here P is given. What about this particular angle ORP? We know that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, which means this much is 90 degrees. Again, same here. A tangent PQ is a tangent. OQ is what? The radius at the point of contact. Again, this is 90 degrees. That leaves just this one angle, angle O. What will it be? Add all the three of them, subtract this value from 360, and then what do you get? You get a 150. Now, what have we found out? We have found out that QOP is 150. So what do we have here? Angle QOR is 150 degrees, or in other words, the angle subtended by the chord QR at the center O is 150 degrees. That means the angle subtended by QR on any other point on the circle will be half of 150. If here it is 150, at any other point it will be half of that. So it is same for S also. You put S here, QSR will be what? Half of 150, which is 75. Now we have got the answer, right? So consider the triangle SRQ. You have found that this angle is 75, the other angle is 75. That means the third angle is what? 30 degrees. That is the answer that we are looking for.